This Canon Real Estate, Incorporated property video is presented by Jill Vinton Lipan. Impressive is the only way to describe this captivatingly different layout for those wanting a space-sharing setup that won't cramp your style. Offering a versatile floor plan, this property is comprised of 2 separate living areas, each with their own entranceways, full kitchens with all appliances, new granite counters and gleaming hardwood flooring. Connected by a double-door alcove, both spaces connect to a laundry room as well as a grand-sized bright and airy family room with vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace and 2 sliding doors that exit to a private deck that overlooks the large fenced-in backyard. The main house has 2 upstairs bedrooms, lots of storage and a full bath. The accessory in-law apartment has a large living room dining area with gas fireplace, as well as full bathroom and 1 bedroom. Many updates include a newer high-efficiency gas Buderus heating system, new kitchen updates, fresh paint and new carpeting. Finished room and basement, ideal for office or game room. For more information